Hello guys, this is my chicken biryani. It's already done. I finished to cook. More yummy yummy. It's too much nice the color. Thank you for watching guys. And more power. God bless. See you to my next video. Bye bye.